Is your Apple Watch stuck at checking this mail? This usually happens due to sync issues, network problems, or a bug in the Mail app. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue where your Apple Watch gets stuck at checking mail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone through Bluetooth. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi on both Apple Watch and iPhone. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch. And also make sure to turn off airplane mode. And finally, make sure to log in same email on both Apple Watch and iPhone. If still you're facing the same issue, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Notifications. Scroll down. Make sure to enable Notifications indicator. And then scroll down again. And again, make sure to enable Show Summary when locked as well. Solution 2. Turn on notifications on iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Notifications. Scroll down, tap on the Mail app. Here, make sure to select Mirror My iPhone. Solution 3. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications. Scroll down again and find the Mail app. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. Solution 4. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings on iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can solve the issue where your Apple Watch gets stuck at checking mail. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.